There's a train. Oh, I can barely see it.
Hey! That's it right there!
Oh, I can see it now.
You see the headlight?
Barely, but... Mixedfreight. Oh man. Oh, we got the engine too.
You should have went down the driveway. That's what I was telling you for.
Oh. I can see it from here. Should we go through town crossing after? I'll go back.
Gabe!
He's flying, man. There's the horn. I think that's it. I can't tell. It's gone. How is it not easy to see? God damn it. I really got the engines too, but that's it. I hope there's another train later. This one doesn't count. I mean it does, it counts. Here's train 1 for this week, it's southbound, but it's gone, so. Fuck, man. I'm fucking sick of going to fucking work every time. You know? I hope I get fucking train washing tomorrow. It's gone. Alright, that's all for now, okay? Clemens, Township, Michigan.